I'm Mike with Acme Concrete Raising and Repair, and we're here in beautiful Northbrook, Illinois, gearing up to fix trip hazards and drainage issues across several hundred feet of village sidewalks. Poor drainage and trip hazards on public sidewalks are problems commonly caused by slabs sinking over time. Continuously managing these issues is an unfortunate reality for communities across northern Illinois. Clearly sunken along the curb, these settled sidewalks are potential trip hazards. Also, when sidewalks sink, water can get trapped along the curb, causing a nuisance for pedestrian traffic. In colder months, pooling water can freeze into dangerous slick spots. Improper drainage also works to promote continued settlement of the slabs. Now we're going to show you how easy it is for Acme Concrete Raising and Repair and its Smart Lift system to safely, quickly, and efficiently remedy these problems. We're not just any concrete raising company, we're Chicagoland's original polyurethane specialists. Here's a fun fact. Large infrastructure repair projects require the use of polyurethane to raise and support heavy slabs. Our polyurethane material meets the compressive strength standards for those projects.